how to use the modify. And I tend to use this when I just need to bring the edging in a little bit. Let me show you. I want to get rid of the background, so I'm going to use my object selection, and I'm just going to draw a square around the cat, and then what I'll do is put that in a mask. Now, I'm not going to be too fussy. I would look at this now and think I need to do a bit of tidy up here and just have a look around the edges. And it pays to spend a little bit of time when you're masking. But now what I find, there may be a little bit of a white artifact or edging. If I use the grey layer, let's have a look. So I'll go up to Layer, New Layer. I'll choose Soft Light, click in Fill with Soft Light and go. I can actually see now that there's a few areas that I need to tidy up, but I'm not going to do that at this stage. What I am going to do is reselect her. I find the Object Selection tool. Now what I want to do is go up to Select, Modify, and I use Contract. Now I've got it at 3 purposely because when we do what I'm going to do in the next steps, you'll see the difference. But I would start with 1, maybe 2. You don't want it too big on the pixels. So I'm going to go OK. While it's still selected, do Control J and it puts that into another layer. What I don't want is the bottom layer. Now, when I turn this layer off, have a look what happens to the cat. It's just shrunk in about 3 pixels. I'll turn that layer back on and off. And so what it's done is it's just contracted the edging. As I said, I would normally do a 1 or maybe a 2 just to get that little bit of edging in. And now she's ready to save as a PNG, or you could save it as is as a PSD with the mask. And that modify, select modify, is a fantastic little tool, particularly when you're working with AI. It just gets those little edges. But I also noticed that when I was using my own photos, I would very much get that edging. Thanks for joining me, and we'll give you a few more tips.